Do you want me to talk?
It's your channel.
Oh my god! Hi guys, this is my channel. Wengie just reminded me. So I need to do the talking. So, welcome to my channel.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Just kidding. Wengie is on my channel today and I'm so excited because I've been wanting this for like a year, I think. We've been, right?
Yeah, we've been texting each other for a long time.
A long time. And she lives far away in a different country.
Well, I'm here now.
This is really her. It's not like a green screen thing. So today, I brought Wengie in so we can test makeup slime out. We're gonna use Metamucil to make slime.
Metamucil on the table. I'm like, does he have some toilet issues? We're talking about
stomach problems.
Is this a Q&A today?
I'm like, so how do you like Metamucil? And I saw a video on this, so I've never done this and you've never tried it. So this should be really interesting, but I'm excited to see the pigment on your face. Let's use this cute blue bowl. So I put a little bit of Metamucil in the little jar, or in the bowl. I don't know how much to put, but we're gonna do that. All right guys, so I'm gonna make the pinkish reddish slime, and Wengie is gonna make the blue slime. And that's for your eyeshadow, obviously.
He put this eyeshadow in front of me, so yeah. I think I know what I'm doing. All right, give me some Metamucil.
Give me some Metamucil. So to add water, and then do the pigment.
It smells really nice. Like orange Baraka.
But we could eat it after.
I'm okay. That's right.
I'm gonna add more water because. Oh!
This is what it looks like. It's
nice. It looks like sweet potatoes. Okay, so this is like a chunky mess.
Ooh, sweet potato mash.
A chunky disaster. I'm gonna put another lipstick in. So I used a Smashbox lipstick. And this is horrible because these are brand new lipsticks. And I'm just putting them.
Just say they're expired.
I mean, they're expired. Pretend they're no good. No, because then I'm putting expired makeup on you.
It's fine.
That's fine, it's just for show. I found this makeup on the floor, so I'm gonna just make slime with it. So this has to go in the microwave also. So I think that the microwave is gonna make it a little bit more solid.
Ah, okay. What are you doing down there? You're just like squatting because the microwave's so low.
Sorry, the microwave's on the ground.
So how long are you putting it in the microwave?
I think 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
I'm completely guessing. The girl in the video put it in for 5. I'm gonna go with 3 because I like to break the rules.
Okay, let's do that.
This is my tutorial. Isn't that weird? Oh my god, this works way better than I thought.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to slime out.
Me neither. And it was only in there for like a minute. But look, it's like becoming solid. I think that it needs a little bit of freezer time.
Ooh, so you put it in the freezer.
Yeah, you put it in the freezer for a couple minutes. Just, I guess because it makes it harden. But
that looks crazy.
The color looks cool.
That looks like slime.
Doesn't it? Well, you know.
I'm breaking in the eyeshadow now with this on the top of my spoon.
Oh my god.
I wonder why mine's so gluggy. It looks really disgusting.
Yours looks like baby food. Maybe because I mixed mine like
vigorously. Like this.
Vigorously.
Maybe I should start again in this bowl.
Should you? Okay, yeah. My slime looks so cool. Oh.
Wow, that looks crazy.
Okay, so I'm gonna make a highlighter slime. Because obviously we need highlighter if we're doing makeup.
Yeah, I'm putting a lot of water in. And now it's looking like baby poop again. Come on.
Just like drown it. We're like experts at this. This is a gold highlighter. So I'm gonna mix it in here. We're gonna make a really pretty highlighter. Oh, it's nice and shiny. Wow, this is cool. Look.
I'm just gonna tip mine out and redo it. I'm so bad at this. I'm the what not to do side. So whatever I did, guys, don't do that.
Don't do this. I don't even know what I did. I just threw water in here and it worked.
You're a good mixer.
I guess it's the makeup artist in me.
I'm on his territory now.
Don't forget whose channel you're on.
I know, right? This is not your channel.
This is not your channel, Wengie. Stay in your lane. This is really cool.
Oh, look, this looks good now.
Okay, perfect.
You just have to put a lot of water. If you put enough water and it looks like pumpkin soup, you're on the way.
Yeah, it's pumpkin soup. I'm gonna put more highlighter. I'm adding more highlighter because I want mine to be more shimmery. Like a globby baby food mask. Oh! I almost fell off the chair.
So I think mine's pretty mixed. It doesn't look as
Blue.
pretty as yours.
No.
Yours is like completely gold and mine's like this green,
I know.
green murky color. It's already slimy.
I know.
Oh, does it?
Yes. I don't know if the slime is burning or the bowl. Ooh.
Whoa.
You see how it's like smoking? It's crazy.
It's like steaming. Wow.
It like boils in the microwave and then it, I guess we did need it.
Oh yeah, now that's slime.
Now it's slime. So I took the slime out of the freezer.
Ooh.
Isn't that weird?
I think we can touch it.
I'm scared to touch it. You notice how I like gave it to you? I'm like so pretty.
And I just looked at it like waiting for him
You're
to
like,
touch it.
ooh.
Ooh. It feels...
And it's pink.
Oh, it's coming off on our fingers.
So this is the slime.
Ooh.
It's actually really cool and it's like solid. Look, it's not even like coming apart.
Yeah, well look, it has...
Oh my god, it tastes good.
It tastes good.
Mm-hmm. It does, right?
Like...
Alright guys, so we took them out of the microwave. Or no, out of the freezer, I'm sorry. We have our eyeshadow. We have our lipstick blush.
And our highlighter.
The most important part of it all. I'm really surprised that this turned out good. Look. This one feels so cool. Wait, so is slime really just Metamiso? I was like, wait, have I been fooled this whole time?
I just wanted to see if nothing came off though.
Maybe like if you just kind of rub it in a little bit.
That one actually...
Did it work?
Like a little bit.
Little-
There's like tiny bits of...
Little rouge.
This is eyeshadow, right?
Yeah, that's your eyeshadow.
Yeah, the eyeshadow, I mean, it just looks like pretty slime. Oh, this is literally slime. Like
It's
that.
really cool. Ooh, did this work? This works. The highlighter?
Ooh. It's so splotchy when it goes on.
I'm all.
what if you did this? Like, you shaped it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you went...
Yeah. Oh, it's there.
Is it there?
Yeah, there's like little glitters. Put it on me. Not so much.
Oh, like a little bit.
Highlight me.
Ooh.
Does it work?
Yeah. Can you see that?
Yeah, there's little glitter specks. I have a highlighter. Oh my god, this is a really good idea. Ooh.
Yeah.
I'm just adding more. No?
There we go. Didn't quite fit.
It doesn't fit, but imagine being like, let me put some more highlighter on.
Throw it in.
Take it off, take it out, go like this.
Yeah.
Put your highlighter on, and then put it away. And wash your hands. Alright guys, so I had so much fun making slime with you.
Yeah.
And doing your makeup. I totally tricked her into
I
coming
know.
over.
Well, I have this cute highlighter on my cheeks now.
So thank you for coming on my channel.
Thank you for having me.
This is for fun. Like if you want to just play with makeup and like be fun, and this is a good party idea. But thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped. I hope you guys get lots of cool ideas. Don't make blue eyeshadow slime.
No.
That's our tip, but
Yeah.
it's actually cool. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe.
And we did a video on my channel where he bought me outfits.
I styled Wengie on her channel, so make sure to look at it. I'm not a stylist. Actually, I am. Just pretend I am.
He's now.
Check out that video as well, and bye.